everyone, welcome to my channel Vidya's Ideas. If you're new here, then don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Also hit that bell icon to receive all the updates. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the spicy mushroom masala recipe. I am going to prepare a spicier version. However, if you like to keep your spice level low, then you can skip some of the ingredients that I'm going to show you in the ingredients list. By the way, a tip for you. Did you know that mushrooms are the only available non-animal food product with substantial amount of bioavailable vitamin D? You can actually enrich the vitamin D content in your mushrooms by simply slicing them and exposing them to the sunlight for around 15 to 20 minutes. So in these 15 to 20 minutes, you can carry on with your rest of the preparations for the recipe, and voila, your enriched vitamin D mushrooms are ready for your recipe.
Let's get started. Firstly, the ingredients list. 250 grams of roughly chopped button mushrooms, 1 large finely chopped onion, tomato puree using 1 tomato, cashewnut powder made using 8 to 10 cashews, 1 tablespoon of freshly grated ginger garlic, a handful of finely chopped coriander leaves, 1/8 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/8 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, salt as per taste, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 teaspoon of butter, 1/4 cup of cooking cream. These 3 ingredients can be skipped if you prefer less spice. 3 chopped green chilies, half teaspoon of pepper powder, half teaspoon of chili flakes. Now, let's cook. Heat a pan on a high flame. Pour the cooking oil when the pan is hot. Then, add butter. I am using salted butter. Once the butter melts, add cumin seeds and fennel seeds. Add finely chopped green chilies and saute it for a minute. Then, add the finely grated ginger garlic and saute it till it turns aromatic. Now, let's add the finely chopped onion. Saute it till it turns translucent. Then, add the tomato puree. Combine everything well and stir it for a while. As I am using less oil, I will add a dash of water as I feel the ingredients are sticking to the pan. Cover and cook it on low flame for a minute. Now, let's add the dry ingredients like coriander powder, turmeric powder, chili powder, garam masala and pepper powder. Saute it till oil starts to separate. Add a dash of water if necessary or if you're using less oil to cook. Add the chili flakes. Mix it well. Then add the cashewnut powder. This will give the gravy a smooth texture as well as a nutty flavor. Now let's add the chopped mushrooms. Stir to evenly coat the mushrooms in the masala. Cover and cook it for 5 to 10 minutes. Don't forget to give it a stir in between. Add water as per the consistency of the gravy that you want to achieve. I prefer thick gravy. Add salt as per taste. Also, add the chopped coriander leaves. Give it a good mix. Finally, add the cooking cream. And again, give it a good mix. Once it starts to simmer, switch off the flame and serve it hot. You can garnish the dish with coriander leaves. Our delicious mushroom masala is ready.
Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please do like, share and subscribe. We'll meet with some other interesting video. Until then, Vidya signing off. Bye-bye.